How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super slick 67 Chevelle SS 396. Super clean car. Come out of a personal collection. It's triple black. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. So all the grille, headlight bezels, hood molding, all in excellent condition. Bumper's been re-chromed. Car's real straight, flat, slick down the sides. Vinyl tops, brand new on it, looks. Got a set of new 17-inch Rev Classics. Just a good look on the black car. So all the taillight bezels have been replaced. This car had a complete frame-off restoration about 4 years ago. I've been trying to buy this car for 2 years. Just a super, super nice. It's got a period correct 396 in it. Supposedly built to the 375 horse combination, pretty much. Got power steering, power disc brakes. It's got the heavy duty radiator in it. It's got a 400 turbo trans with 12 bolt posi rear, 331 gear, rear sway bar. So all the jams are really nice on this car. All the interior's been redone. It's got the optional blinker tach, wood wheel. Headliner's real nice, tight. All the seat covers, it's all legendary interior. Very, very nice. All inside the trunk looks real nice. Factory jack spare. Trunk floor and everything's all real nice in the car. I tell you, and to have one of these cars this straight and slick and black, tough to find. It's got a direct fit AM FM cassette stereo with the iPod capability, nice original center console, working clock. Just a super, super nice car. The fit and finish on this car is just excellent. Got the factory exhaust manifolds and a nice dual exhaust out the back. Backup lights, everything works. Got a real good sound to it. And I tell you, this car drives and rides excellent. I've driven this car about 100 miles myself. Just a really nice car. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.